The world of technology is in the middle of a massive power struggle. This isn't about smartphones or social media anymore. The new battleground is artificial intelligence, and honestly, the stakes are higher than ever before. Three major players are making bold moves that will define our digital future. Amazon, the giant of e-commerce and cloud computing, is doubling down on its AI services. Tesla, the electric car pioneer, is pushing the boundaries of robotics and autonomous systems. And OpenAI, the company that brought us ChatGPT, is at the center of a fierce competition that includes tech titans like Google and Microsoft. Each company has a unique strategy, but they all share one common goal: to dominate the next era of technology. This competition is about so much more than just creating clever chatbots. It's a race to build the fundamental tools and platforms that will power everything in our lives. Think of it as the race to build the next operating system for society. The AI models and systems being developed today will manage our homes, drive our cars, and run our businesses. The companies that lead this charge will not just sell products. They will shape how we interact with the world and with each other. This is why the investments being made right now are so massive. The winners will hold immense power and influence for decades to come, fundamentally changing the global economic landscape. The strategies are as different as the companies themselves. Amazon, through its Amazon Web Services, or AWS division, is focused on making AI accessible and affordable for businesses of all sizes. They want to be the foundational layer that everyone else builds upon. Tesla, on the other hand, is leveraging its fleet of vehicles to collect vast amounts of real-world data. This data is really the lifeblood for training its AI, not just for self-driving cars but also for its ambitious robotics projects. Meanwhile, OpenAI continues to push the limits of what large language models can do, setting the pace for innovation and forcing its bigger rivals to constantly react and adapt their own plans. What we are witnessing is a fundamental shift in the technology industry. For years, the focus was on connecting people through the internet. Now, the focus is on creating intelligent systems that can understand, predict, and act upon the world around them. This transition is creating a new hierarchy of power. The companies that control the best AI models, the most powerful computing infrastructure, and the largest data sets will have an almost insurmountable advantage. The moves being made today by Amazon, Tesla, and OpenAI are not just headlines. They are the opening moves in a long-term chess game for control of the future of digital life itself. Amazon's strategy for artificial intelligence is deeply rooted in what it does best: cloud computing. Through its dominant Amazon Web Services, or AWS platform, the company is not just building its own AI, it is providing the essential tools for everyone else to build theirs. Amazon understands that most businesses do not have the resources to develop complex AI models from scratch, so they are making it faster, cheaper, and easier for developers and companies to integrate AI into their own products and services. This approach positions Amazon as the ultimate enabler, the digital landlord in the booming city of AI. The company recently unveiled a new suite of tools designed to lower the barrier to entry. This includes more powerful and cost-effective computer chips specifically designed for AI workloads. By controlling the hardware, Amazon can significantly reduce the cost of training and running large models. This is a direct challenge to other chip makers and cloud providers. Furthermore, Amazon is offering a range of pre-trained models and easy-to-use platforms, like Amazon Bedrock, which allows customers to choose from various AI models, including those from other companies. This model-as-a-service strategy is a clever way to become the go-to marketplace for AI. This focus on infrastructure is incredibly important. The development of advanced AI requires an immense amount of computational power, which is both expensive and difficult to manage. By offering this power as a utility, like electricity, AWS is democratizing access to cutting-edge technology. A small startup can now, in theory, access the same level of AI infrastructure as a massive corporation. This helps foster innovation across the entire economy, but it also ensures that a significant portion of the value created flows back to Amazon. Their goal is to make AWS as essential to AI development as the internet is to websites. Ultimately, Amazon is playing a long game. While others focus on grabbing headlines with consumer-facing chatbots, Amazon is quietly building the foundational plumbing that the entire AI ecosystem will depend on. They are making a bet that the real money is not just in having the best single AI model, but in owning the platform where all AI models are built, trained, and deployed. It's a classic Amazon strategy: provide the picks and shovels during a gold rush. In the AI showdown, Amazon is positioning itself to be the one selling the tools to every single prospector, ensuring its central role no matter who strikes gold. Tesla's approach to artificial intelligence is fundamentally different from that of its competitors. While companies like Amazon and OpenAI are heavily focused on the digital world of language and data centers, Tesla is obsessed with the physical world. Its primary goal is to solve real-world problems, starting with autonomous driving and extending to humanoid robotics. The key to Tesla's strategy is its unparalleled access to real-world data. Every Tesla vehicle on the road acts as a sensor, constantly collecting video and driving data from millions of different scenarios around the globe. This creates a continuous feedback loop that is incredibly valuable for training AI. This massive and ever-growing dataset gives Tesla a unique advantage. Training an AI to navigate the complexities of the real world requires a staggering amount of information. You need examples of every possible weather condition, every unexpected pedestrian movement, and every unusual road configuration. While competitors often rely on simulated data, Tesla's AI learns from the genuine, messy, and unpredictable reality of daily driving. This data is the fuel for its neural networks, allowing them to learn and improve at a pace that is difficult for others to match. It is a data-gathering operation on a scale that has never been seen before. To process this colossal amount of information, Tesla built its own supercomputer, named Dojo. This machine is custom designed for the specific task of training AI using video data. Standard computer chips are not optimized for this kind of work, so Tesla engineered its own solution from the ground up. Dojo is the engine that turns raw data from its fleet into intelligence. This commitment to vertical integration, from data collection to custom hardware, shows how serious Tesla is about solving autonomy. It is a high-risk, high-reward strategy that, if successful, could give the company a decisive lead in robotics. The ambition extends far beyond cars. The same principles and technologies being developed for self-driving vehicles are now being applied to Tesla's humanoid robot project, Optimus. The idea is that a robot designed to operate in the real world needs to understand it in the same way a self-driving car does. By leveraging the data and training infrastructure built for its cars, Tesla hopes to accelerate the development of a general-purpose robot. For Tesla, AI is not just about processing information, it is about creating machines that can perceive, understand, and physically interact with the world around us. OpenAI, the company that ignited the current AI frenzy with ChatGPT, now finds itself at the heart of a massive technological war. Its groundbreaking work with large language models has forced every major tech company to redefine its strategy. This has sparked an intense competition primarily with giants like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon. Microsoft has made a huge bet by deeply integrating OpenAI's technology into its products, from the Bing search engine to its Office software suite. Google, an AI pioneer in its own right, is racing to defend its search dominance and advance its own powerful model, Gemini. The battle is for control of the next great digital platform. This fight is not just about which company has the smartest chatbot, it is about who will provide the underlying intelligence for all digital experiences. The AI models being developed today are becoming platforms themselves. Developers will build applications on top of them, just as they build apps for iOS or Android. The company that owns the dominant AI platform will have enormous influence over the future of software and the internet. This is why Microsoft is so eager to weave OpenAI's tech into its ecosystem, and why Google is investing billions to ensure its own AI remains at the forefront of innovation. The competition is expanding beyond simple text generation. It now encompasses AI that can understand images, audio, and video. It involves creating tools that can write code, analyze complex data, and act as autonomous agents to complete tasks on our behalf. These AI systems are being integrated into everything, from workplace collaboration tools to creative design software. The goal is to create a seamless fabric of artificial intelligence that assists us in every aspect of our digital lives. The winner of this platform war will not just own a product, they will own the primary interface through which we interact with technology. As we stand here in early 2026, it's clear that artificial intelligence is no longer a niche field of computer science. It is the foundational layer of modern technology. The investments being made today by Amazon, Tesla, OpenAI, and their rivals are not just for short-term gains. They are laying the groundwork for the next several decades of innovation. The companies that lead this revolution will not only define the future of technology, but will also reshape industries, economies, and societies on a global scale. The AI showdown is just getting started, and the moves these companies make next will determine the world we live in tomorrow.